Good morning, students. So today I am going to continue my lecture in which I was explaining you about the chapter motion. So students, in this particular lecture I am going to explain you about speed, uniform speed, instantaneous as well as the average speed. Okay, so let us begin. Speed. So how to define speed? You already have studied in your previous classes that speed is equal to distance upon time. In maths also you have studied this. So speed is defined as the total distance traveled by the object in the time interval during which the motion taken place. Okay, so speed is actually the ratio of distance and time. Okay, so the ratio of distance and time, or the ratio of the distance traveled by the object with respect to that particular time, which is the duration of that particular journey, is the speed. So speed is equal to s upon t. You have to remember one thing, that distance we denoted by symbol s and time by small t. So what should be the unit of this? We can derive the unit distance. Distance is always in meter, okay, and time is in second. So meter per second is the unit. We can write the unit of distance meter per second. Okay. For example, suppose sometimes we say that object is moving with a speed of 50, 60. So we are actually telling that in 1 hour that object can travel 50 km. If we are saying 60 km per hour, so we are telling in 1 hour that object can travel 60 km per hour and so on. Okay. Now average speed. What is average speed and why we need this average speed? Suppose an object was in location A and that travel from A to B, and suppose this is a journey of 13 km. Then from B to C, okay, that is a journey of, say, we can consider 7 km. Then C to D, it is a journey of suppose 10 km. Then D to E, this is a journey of say 5 km. Now, how to calculate the speed? So for calculating the speed, we should have the total distance. We can consider the total distance 13 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5 to that of the total time. So we should have the time taken by the object from A to E, the total time we should have. If we have the total distance, we can add our numbers. If we have the total time, we actually can have it. Then we can calculate the average speed. So the formula for average speed will be the total distance divided by total time. I hope you understood this. Now, what is instantaneous speed? Instantaneous. The word tells that we are calculating something on a very particular time. For example, one train is moving and I asked you that on 9:13 a.m. what was the speed of the train. So there should be a definite speed of the train. So that is known as instantaneous speed, the speed of a body at given instant of a time. We are very particular about the time, and on that particular time we should have the speed. So that is known as instantaneous speed. Now students, next is uniform speed. What is the meaning of uniform? Uniform means that there is no change. Okay, so if there is no change in the speed, okay, the object is moving with constant speed. A body is said to have uniform speed if it travel equal distance in equal interval of time. We can consider one example. For example, suppose a body was here from A to B, B to C, C to D. Say all these slots are 50 kilometers away. All these points are away from each other. 50 kilometer, 50 kilometer, 50 kilometer. Okay, now suppose the body taken from A to B, the body have consumed 1 hour. Okay, for B to C, the body again have consumed 1 hour. From C to D, again the body have consumed 1 hour. So students, we are very sure that for equal distance, the body is taken the equal time. For equal distance, the body have taken the equal time. So such kind of speed is known as uniform speed. A body is said to have uniform speed if it is travel equal distance in equal interval of time. So in equal time, the distance is also equal traveled by the body. Now students, we can also consider about non-uniform. Non-uniform speed, you can understand it by yourself now, that if a body is traveling unequal distance at equal number of times. Okay, if a body is traveling unequal distance in equal number of times, then the body is said to have non-uniform speed. For example, from A to B, this is a journey of say 20 kilometer, body have taken 1 hour. From B to C, this was 50 kilometer and body have taken 1 hour. So here the distance traveled by the object is not seen in equal interval of time. So this is considered to have non-uniform speed. Okay. Now students, speed is a scalar quantity. What is the meaning of a scalar? You already have understood about this. I can repeat it. Scalar means only magnitude is required, not the direction. For example, we always tell the speed of the vehicle is 50 km per hour, 60 km per hour. We never say in this particular direction. So expressing speed do not require any direction. So speed is considered to be a scalar physical quantity. I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you. God bless you.